Discovering the charm of Vienna. Hi Fiona, have you ever been to Vienna?
No, I haven't. But I really want to go. Have you been there?
Yes, I went there last year. It's a beautiful city with so much history.
That sounds amazing. What did you like the most about Vienna?
I love the architecture, especially the Schönbrunn Palace. And the food is delicious.
Oh, I love trying new foods. What should I try if I visit?
You should definitely try Wiener Schnitzel and Zahortorte. They are famous Viennese dishes.
Yum! I can't wait to try them. Did you visit any museums?
Yes, I went to the Kunsthistorisches Museum. It has an incredible collection of art.
That sounds great. I enjoy visiting museums. How about public transport? Is it easy to get around?
Yes, the public transport is very efficient. You can take the tram, bus, or subway.
That's good to know. Did you stay in a hotel or an apartment?
I stayed in a hotel near the city center. It was very convenient.
Sounds perfect. Thank you for the tips, Albert. I'm excited to plan my trip to Vienna.
You're welcome, Fiona. Have a great trip. Talking about famous Dubai chocolate, learn English easily. Hi Bianca. Have you ever heard about the famous chocolate from Dubai?
Hi, Peter. Yes, I've heard about it. People say it's amazing. Have you tried it before?
I did. Last year, my friend brought some back from his trip to Dubai. It was delicious.
Really? What makes it so special?
Well, it's made with high-quality ingredients, and some of the chocolates even have gold on them.
Gold? Are you serious? You mean real gold?
Yes, real edible gold. It's very thin, and it doesn't have any taste. But it makes the chocolate look luxurious.
That sounds incredible. I've never seen anything like that before. Is it expensive?
A little, but it's worth it for the experience. The packaging is also very elegant. It makes a great gift.
I can imagine. Where can you buy it?
You can find it in luxury stores in Dubai or even online. Some brands also sell it at the airport.
That's good to know. I'd love to try it one day. Do you have a favorite flavor?
Yes, I really like the one with dates and nuts. It's a mix of sweet and crunchy.
Dates and nuts sound delicious. I think I'd love that one too.
You should try it. Maybe next time I visit Dubai, I'll bring you some.
That would be amazing. Thank you, Peter.
No problem, Bianca. By the way, have you ever visited Dubai?
Not yet, but it's on my travel list. I've heard it's a beautiful place with so much to see and do.
It really is. You should visit the Burj Khalifa and go on a desert safari. And of course, don't forget to buy the chocolate.
Definitely. I'll make sure to try all the famous foods, including the chocolate.
Good idea. I'm sure you'll have an unforgettable trip.
Thanks, Peter. Talking about this chocolate makes me want to travel right now.
Me too, Bianca. Maybe we should plan a trip together sometime.
That sounds like a great idea. Let's think about it.
Sure. For now, let's grab some coffee and talk more about travel.
Perfect. Let's go.
Easy English conversation, cooking recipe chat. Hi Annabelle. How are you today?
Hi, George. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. I was thinking about trying a new recipe today. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking. What recipe are you thinking of?
I want to make a simple pasta dish. Do you have any good recipes for pasta?
Yes, I do. How about we make spaghetti with tomato sauce?
That sounds perfect. What ingredients do we need?
We need spaghetti, tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, basil, salt, and pepper.
Great! I have all those ingredients. What's the first step?
First, we need to boil the spaghetti. Fill a large pot with water and add a little salt.
Okay, I'll do that. How long should I boil the spaghetti?
Boil it for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until it's al dente. Meanwhile, let's make the sauce.
Sounds good. How do we make the sauce?
Heat some olive oil in a pan. Then add chopped garlic and sauté until it's golden brown.
I love the smell of garlic cooking. What's next?
Next, add the chopped tomatoes. Cook them until they are soft and form a sauce.
Should I add any spices?
Yes, add some salt, pepper, and a few basil leaves for flavor.
This is starting to smell really good. How long do we cook the sauce?
Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. By then, the spaghetti should be ready.
The spaghetti is done. Should I drain it?
Yes, drain the spaghetti and then add it to the sauce. Mix everything well.
Wow, this looks delicious. Anything else we need to do?
No, that's it. Just serve it on a plate and enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much for the recipe, Annabelle. I can't wait to try it.
You're welcome, George. Enjoy your cooking.
I will. Have a great day.
You too, George.
Speak naturally, master basic English with the elements around us. What do we drink when we are thirsty? We drink water. What grows in the soil? Plants grow in the soil. Why do we need air? We need air to breathe. Where does rain come from? Rain comes from clouds. What do we call water in its frozen form? We call it ice. Why is the soil important for plants? Soil gives nutrients to plants. How do fish breathe underwater? Fish breathe using gills. What happens when water boils? When water boils, it turns into steam. What can we find in the air besides oxygen? We can find nitrogen and carbon dioxide in the air. How do trees help our air? Trees produce oxygen. What do we use to measure temperature? We use a thermometer to measure temperature. Where does Simon go to swim? Simon goes to the lake to swim. How does Barbara help her plants grow? Barbara helps her plants grow by watering them. What can pollute our air? Smoke from cars can pollute our air. Why do we wear coats in the winter? We wear coats to keep warm. What country is known for its rainy weather? England is known for its rainy weather. How can we save water at home? We can save water by taking shorter showers. What do you need to make a snowman? You need snow to make a snowman. Why do we need to protect our environment? We need to protect our environment to keep our planet healthy. What happens to water when it freezes? Water expands when it freezes. I hope these examples are useful for your English learning. Thanks for watching.